In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs with CapCut. By the end, you'll have a finished video with an AI voiceover generated in ElevenLabs, synced in CapCut, and exported, ready to share. First, log in at elevenlabs.io. On your browser, go to elevenlabs.io, click Log In, and enter your credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, you're ready to create your voiceover. Next, go to Text-to-Speech and generate your AI voice. Click Text-to-Speech in the sidebar. In the text box, paste or type the script you want narrated. Pick a voice from the available options. If you see controls like stability or style, set them conservatively to keep the voice natural. Then click Generate. Wait a moment while the audio is created. If the first result doesn't sound quite right, make a small tweak to the text or voice selection and generate again until you're happy. Now download the generated audio file. Click the Download button and choose MP3 or WAV. MP3 is a smaller file. WAV is uncompressed and higher quality. Save the file to a folder you can find easily, such as your project's audio folder. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it in CapCut. Open CapCut and import your video project. Launch CapCut, then open your existing project or click New Project and bring in your main video clips. You should see your footage in the media library and your timeline visible at the bottom. If your video already has a rough cut, keep it as is. We'll only add and sync the voiceover. Import the ElevenLabs audio into CapCut. In the media area, click Import or drag the downloaded MP3 or WAV file straight into CapCut. After it appears in your media bin, you're ready to place it. Drag the audio onto your video timeline. Click and drag the ElevenLabs audio down to an audio track under your main video track. Position the start of the voiceover where you want narration to begin. If your video opens with a title card or intro clip, line up the first spoken word to match the on-screen moment it should describe. Adjust volume, timing, and sync with visuals. Zoom in on the timeline for precision. Slide the audio clip left or right until the narration lines up with your visuals and edits. If you need to trim silence at the start or end, drag the clip edges inward. To move sections around, make a split at a natural pause, then reposition the segment so it matches the corresponding visuals. Open the audio settings and set the volume so the voice is clear without clipping. A quick playback through headphones helps. If your video has background music, lower the music track beneath the voice to avoid masking the narration. Add short fade-ins or fade-outs on the voice if you hear abrupt cuts. Preview the video and make final edits. Play from the beginning and watch through. Look for any words that land slightly early or late against the action, and nudge the audio a few frames at a time to correct it. Check transitions, on-screen text, and B-roll to ensure each line of the voiceover matches what the viewer sees. Fix any gaps, adjust levels one last time, and confirm there are no pops or sudden jumps in audio. Export your video with the AI voice included. Click Export. Choose a file name and location. Then confirm your video settings. Make sure audio is enabled in the export options so the ElevenLabs narration is included. Click Export and wait for the render to finish. When it's done, open the exported file and play it back to confirm the AI voiceover is crisp, in sync, and exactly as expected. At this point, your video is successfully using an ElevenLabs AI voice in CapCut, fully synced and exported. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.